Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something pretty simple. This time it's gonna be the Among Us carcass, and I will be drawing it standing up. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is actually very easy to draw. To begin, we're going to draw in the little bones that stick out first. So we're going to draw in just the width of the bone, so just 2 lines. And then on the bottom, give it a slight curve. So now we're going to come back up here, we're going to draw the top. Let's go out first. And now we're going to come to the center. You make a little point, and then just kind of connect that, and you can make it a little bit wobbly because it's not supposed to be perfectly round. Okay, and if you want to, we can add in this little line there. Okay, and then now for the body, just come up here, right behind the bone, you'll make 2 little dots, and I'm going to go out. And again, this could be a little bit wobbly as well. So just draw like a little curve like this. And then I'm going to draw in the bottom curve, which is going to be the opposite of this. Just come all the way around. And I'm going to make it a little bit wobbly, just to make it a little bit more interesting. Okay, so once you have this curve on the inside, we're still behind the bone right here. Just draw in another curve. Just kind of follow curve on the outside. Okay, so that's going to be a different color on the inside. Alright, so now let's finish up the rest of the body, and this part is pretty simple. Just come to the side here, just draw like a slight curve. Okay, almost like a straight line, but just give it a slight curve. Start on this side here. Just kind of curve it in like this, so slightly above this. And then from this point here, continue this. This is going to be one of the legs. Come to the center here. And then now just close it off. Again, just a slight curve. Okay, and then on this side, just continue down. Stop a little bit short of this. Come to the center. Same thing here. One slight curve. And then lastly for the backpack, just come back up here on the corner. Go out. Come down with a slight curve, and then just close it off right around here. And then now to finish up the backpack, we'll have to draw the top part. So just come to the corner, the slight curve all the way around the body, and then just kind of tuck it in. And that is it for this carcass. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.